Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I wanted to share with you guys a few of the things I have been loving throughout summer. Just a couple of items that I find myself using over and over and over again. And so let's go ahead and get started. So starting with beauty related stuff, I have a nail polish top coat that I've been using and really been enjoying. It's from Ella and Mila, and it is called their In a Rush top coat. I kind of just stumbled upon this. I don't know if it'll focus because y'all know my camera, but I think I just googled vegan nail polish top coat and came upon this brand, and it seemed to have good reviews, so I bought it and I have been enjoying it. It is a pretty good top coat. And then this is more of a combo type thing I've been enjoying. So this is a recent acquisition. It came in a box. And this is the Aid Beauty Illuminator, and I think it doesn't have a color. So this illuminator I have been loving using all over the face with my Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. I have really been enjoying this combo. I wear this when I need to have a full face of makeup out because it's really light and still shows my skin. I do not like full coverage. I like very minimal coverage. So this combo has been really pretty in the summer. But what you guys have been seeing more commonly is me wearing this with the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint with Goji Berry SPF 30, because this is a I think it's discontinued type of product, and it's very similar to the Ilia product, but I don't like it as much. So in an attempt to use it up, I use it on days where I'm filming and not going out and doing stuff. So this is a combo you've been seeing more recently, but either way, mostly I've been wearing this with one of these two recently, and I've been loving the look. So I've really been enjoying those particular beauty products. Moving on to more lifestyle type of products, I have this little wallet here, and I have no idea where I originally got this. The metals are wearing off, and it is definitely cheap. It's some sort of vegan leather cheap product. The body of the little wallet itself has been totally fine, maintained really well. It's got this little clip to put over your more important cards. But anyway, now that we've moved back into the city and we walk a lot more often, if I don't want to carry a full purse with me, I just want my keys, because there's a little clip to throw your keys on here and a couple of cards. This has been perfect for taking with me. It is so nice. I will find something similar to this to share with you guys, because I've really enjoyed this format of wallet where it's like you can just put, I don't know, your ID, one card, two cards. So easy, and you can even throw some cash in there if you needed to, just a couple of bills. I really enjoyed this item. Like I said, I don't even remember where I got this, but I'm going to find something similar to link for you guys, because it has been really nice to have and just grab and go. The next item I have to share is my planner. This year I'm using a planner from Papier? Not sure, but I will link to it down below. I got this blush peachy tone book, and it's just got kind of like nature pictures on it. Peppers, birds, fish, suns. I don't know what the theme is here, but I just thought it was really cute, and you can have it customized with your name on the bottom. I didn't do a video to bother to share with you guys like what this layout was like, but here's the weekly layout, and then the weekend gets to share a box. And then I'm not going to show you guys the monthly layout because I've got it clipped, because unfortunately it doesn't have a great system. It only comes with one bookmark. So I kind of clipped where the monthly is versus I clipped where the monthly is. I'll just pull the clip out, whatever. So I clip where my monthly part is, so the monthly calendar, and I usually put the other side of the clip where, I find the blank one, this little other monthly layout is. So this is a monthly spot where you put your goals, to-do list, important dates, wish list, and you have a whole blank sheet of paper to write any notes for the month or any inspirational what I have used for the month. So that is one thing I don't love, is that you have to mark it off yourself, and I'm just using an ugly little yellow paper clip. But I do love how plain it is. It's very simple and to the point, and not very extra. There's a lot of planners out there right now that are so extra. They like want you to write all your goals and every single step to achieve your goals and all this stuff, and I'm like, I really just want something simple so I could see my life laid out easily, and I've enjoyed this planner for that purpose. Now I will say I did enjoy using the, I think it was CDL or CLD, something like that, London planner that I used last year, and I thought that was a great planner too. That one was a little more like in the weeds than this one. I do enjoy the simplicity of this one, so that is something I've been liking a lot recently. Then I have a couple kitchen items. I have been on a cold drink kick. I'm usually a room temperature drink kind of person, but I have been all about iced everything recently, and iced drinks are always best through a glass straw. I love glass straws. I've become recently obsessed. Not only do I think that they maintain the coldness of a drink really well, I love that they're see-through, so I know that I've cleaned it thoroughly. You never know what you're getting with plastic straws and metal straws, but the glass ones, there's no hiding behind. You could see right through that sucker. You know it's clean, and I kind of love that. So I've really been enjoying glass straws. I also kind of got suckered in through, I don't know if it was a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, into these geometry towels that are like expensive. They're very expensive, but I have to say I'd absolutely buy them again. I love them. They're so absorbent. They're microfiber, but not that microfiber that like sticks to every little crack or misgiven shape on your fingernail or a hangnail. Like, these don't feel gross in your hands. Most microfiber cloths make me like have the heebie-jeebies. They feel so weird to the hand. These don't feel weird. They wash up nicely. They're so absorbent. I have never used a kitchen towel as absorbent as these. I feel kind of suckered in because I definitely bought these because of a Facebook ad, but you know what, I don't even care. I would buy them again. I'm hoping they put out like a Halloween collection or something, because I'm kind of wanting some themed ones for around the holidays. I love these things. They are so good. I get it. I get the hype. Most times I don't get the hype for things, but I get the hype on these. So yeah, loving my geometry towels. Recently got a Simple Human trash can, and I've been loving that too. We got the dual one, the biggest one I think you can get, that has the recycle on one side and trash on the other, and I love that thing. It traps in all the stink. It could smell like absolute death and you wouldn't know, which is fantastic because I make my own veggie stock, and let me tell you, after simmering, those veggies can kind of stink sometimes. And it is just a really good trash can. The foot levers are really reliable, and I really like it. It's a good trash can. I definitely recommend. Even though they're kind of expensive, I like it so much better than the old plastic one we had beforehand. It is just way nicer. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about was clothing slash fashion slash jewelry, that kind of stuff. So the first two items I have to share are shoes. These are the shoes I've been wearing the absolute most all summer long. It's my Old Kai flip-flops that I've had for probably 7 or 8 years now. I've had these things forever, and they just hold up. They're really solid flip-flops, especially if you're someone who pretty much only wears flip-flops when it's nice out, and then the second it's cold your toes are like numb, you can't do it. If you're only using them for part of the year, these are fantastic. They will last you forever and ever, honestly. And then this year I ended up acquiring these fully plastic rubbery Birkenstocks, and when I bought them I thought they were going to be heavier than this. They are light as a feather. I will say my feet are kind of different shapes, so my foot sort of makes fart noises, my right foot, in the shoe, but I've decided I just don't care because I really enjoy them. They do have a breaking in period, so it took me a few weeks to get them solidly broken in, but now they're super comfortable to wear and I love them. I bought this lavender color because I can't tend to wear full purpley outfits because I have very yellow undertones and I start to look kind of jaundiced. So purple accessories are the only way I can get in this pretty color. So I got the purple ones and I love them. I was contemplating for a while getting a second color, but I work from home and I don't go a lot of places. Like, I really can't justify it. Maybe next summer I'll get a second color, but I really have loved these. And I got the 6.5. I think I've worn off that part, but yeah, I really like them, and I can see why so many other people like them. That's why I bought them. I kept seeing them on everybody and thinking those are so cute but also look really comfortable, and they are. They're cute and they're comfortable. Definitely one of my favorite buys. Accessories wise, I have kind of just been wearing the same earrings over and over again. I have these teeny little safety pin earrings from Ana Luisa. I've been wearing pretty much all summer. I also have been wearing these Huggies from Local Eclectic, and they've just got little, I don't know if they were diamonds or CZs or what they were, but I know these are gold themselves. But I've just been wearing the same simple earrings over and over again. Mostly out of laziness, I just haven't felt like dealing with it and switching out earrings. But these are the two I've been wearing the most all summer, and they've been really solid. They're comfortable to sleep in if I don't feel like taking them out at night if I'm being lazy. So I've really liked those. The dress I've probably worn the most this summer is this one right here. It's from Aritzia. It's from their Welford line, or yeah, Welford. And this is the Tempest dress. Now, it is an expensive dress to buy. I bought it straight from Aritzia because I was trying to find this dress on Poshmark. I couldn't find one in my size that I wanted in the time period I wanted to buy one, so I bought this one. And like I said, these purpley tones, hard for me to get away with, but for some reason, being these are dustier, I can get away with it. And I really like this dress. It's comfortable. It's great for eating in because this part's all stretchy. It's great if you happen to have a bigger tummy. It's nice if you are someone like me, this is my life now, where you don't wear a bra anymore and you are not putting one on. It's also great for that. And the sleeves are sheer, so breezes and stuff go right through it. It's not hot. It's just a really nice little dress, and I've really enjoyed owning this and wearing it a lot this year. Kind of an undergarment type product. I bought a 3-pack of these little shorts on Amazon, and they're just little nylon shorts. Nothing special. There's really not like a lot of coverage or anything, but I have been wearing these underneath of skirts and dresses just to have a layer of fabric between my thighs because I fall victim to chub rub every single year, and it gets bad. Like, it gets to the point where I probably it would be some sort of weird test subject for how bad it is. It's nasty and nothing helps. Nothing helps me. Deodorant, baby powder, any of the random tricks on the internet. I have bandelettes, but sometimes I just don't feel like wearing them because they're nice, but they don't come, like, you would have to pull them down yourself if you're using the bathroom, and I hate the feeling of that fabric on my legs while I'm using the bathroom. It feels like I'm doing something wrong. I don't know if anyone else has experienced that with the little leg bandelettes. So I enjoy these little shorts. They do the same exact thing as the bandelettes, only they're not lace, so they're not cutesy, but they do the job, and I've not had any chub rub issues since wearing these under my dresses and skirts. And because it is a really stretchy fabric, I can pull them up easily if I'm wearing something shorter too, so that's been really nice. As far as everyday lounging uniform, because like I said, work from home, don't need to be dressed up, my girlfriend leggings and sports bras are still my favorite thing. I also like the bold body ones, but I think I like the girlfriend ones better. And when we were moving, unpacking, doing all kinds of heavy duty stuff, these were great to have and wear every day, and even just around the house. They're really nice to have. I love girlfriend products. And along that same line, I just wanted some more shorts for days I wasn't wearing full-on sets. So I got these biker shorts from J. Crew, and the nice thing about these, no, these are from J. Crew Factory. Do not buy the ones from J. Crew. They are way overpriced, especially when J. Crew Factory sells them. The same thing basically, but these ones also have pockets. So this has been really nice, like when I want to go out for a walk or something with a friend, I could throw my keys in one pocket on one hip and my phone on the other, and I've got everything I need just to go out for a walk or go somewhere quickly. And they're very comfortable. They're not sheer at all, so I don't have to worry about my butt showing. They go with anything because they're just black little biker shorts, and I've really enjoyed those a lot. So those are all of my favorites for summer, probably kind of spring too. We didn't have much of a spring because we had the house on the market and we're just kind of in survival mode. But since summer has started, I've really enjoyed using all these things. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. I'd love to know what some of your favorite things this summer were. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will have everything mentioned linked, or something similar linked down below, as well as what I'm wearing today. Did something a little more interesting with my makeup today. Had some time. I've got one of my favorite sweatshirts on, Good Food, Good Mood, from Vegetarian. I love this shirt. It's so soft, and I love the message, obviously, and the color. And otherwise, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!